How do I fix the error on my cell phone? It won't charge or I see this question mark. The first thing we're going to do to correct this error without needing to take it to a technician is to do it yourself by following this video tutorial step by step. What else is happening? If your phone shows this warning mark appears on most devices. Question: the battery charge either increases or decreases instead of increasing. This means your phone has moisture in it. To fix this, we recommend watching this video tutorial step by step so you don't miss any details and we can resolve this issue. If the charge isn't working or you see this question mark, it means that your device isn't working. It could be that it got wet, or perhaps you inserted a damp USB cable, or maybe moisture seeped in through the air. If that's your case, we'll explain everything step by step without needing to take it to a technician. We can do it ourselves and save that cost. The first thing we're going to do is the following: we disconnect it. After disconnecting it, we had to turn it off. The phone absolutely has to be off. As we can see, this has a USB-C port. Devices with USB-C ports work perfectly because these ports are difficult to damage. These USB-C ports are very difficult. And since it's so difficult, we're going to be able to fix it ourselves without needing to take it to a technician. But you have to follow the steps. Our phone has to be completely off. We turn it off. Here we have this Xiaomi, it's completely off. What are we going to do? We're going to use a little bit of alcohol. We'll need a little bit of alcohol, an old toothbrush, a very thin skewer, and a hairdryer. You can find those anywhere. The first thing we're going to do is this. We'll use the little bit of alcohol. We'll moisten just the tip. Then, we'll place the skewer like this and shake it. Only the tip is moist. And what we're going to do here is this. We'll insert the skewer and move it from side to side. This will remove the moisture from our phone, which is completely dirty. Dirt. Let's turn it over. We turn it over and now we do the same on the other side. We remove it. We remove this. We're going to remove it for those people who want to try this. It's very effective, as long as the phone is completely off. It shouldn't be on for this to work, I'm telling you. Because this solves everything, we've already cleaned it. Now what we're going to do with this is just to move it gently from side to side as if we were scraping something to remove the dirt. The moisture that our phone has, we do this from side to side. Now we turn it over and we're going to do the same thing from side to side. Gently without applying too much pressure. Gently from side to side, we do this same thing. Now that we've done that, we're going to use our hairdryer and we're going to do what we do. We're going to place it a little far away. We place it a little far away so that not too much heat gets in. So that it dries gently, we're going to dry it. We will do this. And as long as you follow these steps, you'll be able to fix and recover your device if it's not charging. Okay, we've done that. Now we're going to wait 30 seconds for our device to cool down because it always gives off a certain amount of heat so we can dry it. So we wait about 30 seconds and we're going to test it. Now what we're going to do is test it. We're going to plug in our USB cable. We're going to test it. We're going to plug in the USB cable and test our device so you can see that it's now working. Here it is at 15%. Let's leave it to charge for about 5 minutes. Oh, right here you can see, there's no need to wait more than 5 minutes. It was at 15% and it immediately went up to 16%. You can see that this works. If you follow these steps, you'll definitely fix it. This method will work, as long as it's just surface moisture. If your phone got completely wet, then you'll have to take it to a technician for repair. If you can see how fast it's charging, 17%, check it. If you liked our video and it worked for you, leave a comment, subscribe, like, share, and even leave a donation so we can continue uploading important videos like this one.